Now, NBC 26 Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland, featuring the 3-degree guarantee, sponsored by Capital Credit Union.
With high temperatures only in the 40s, it was not only the coldest day so far this November, but it was the coldest day in weeks. And yes, even colder weather is going to move in, but not before we see a nice little warm up. Here's a look at your 7-day temperature trend. We're going to see highs close to 50 by Tuesday afternoon. We'll see lower to mid 60s return on Wednesday, 60s to around 70 on Thursday. If we see some sunshine, we could see some 70s Thursday afternoon, and then turning sharply colder for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, with highs only in the 30s to around 40 degrees. We started Monday with tons of sunshine, nothing but blue sky, but as we moved into the afternoon, the clouds rolled in, and now those clouds have overspread much of northeast Wisconsin this evening. And it looks like the clouds are probably going to hold for much of the night. Quiet conditions across the area. The radar is showing a few returns here, but that is not reaching the ground. However, to the north and west, we do have some snow that is reaching the ground. In fact, we've got winter storm watches issued here for North and South Dakota, numerous advisories and warnings across the Intermountain West as our next big weather maker begins to head our way. It is an area of low pressure that's going to warm us up and then significantly cool us down. Now, unfortunately, as I showed you in the time lapse, the clouds have rolled in, and it looks like it's going to be a mostly cloudy night, and that is unfortunate because we have the Beaver Blood Moon total lunar eclipse tonight. It begins at 3:09 in the morning. We reach totality at around 4:17, and this will be the final total lunar eclipse until 2025. I'm not saying you won't be able to see it, but it looks like it's going to be difficult to see it. Here we are at 4:30 tomorrow morning. Lots of clouds, but there will be a few breaks out there if you want to get up early tomorrow morning and take a look. As far as tomorrow is concerned, we're going to see clouds mixing with some sunshine. It'll be a little bit warmer than this afternoon with highs in the 40s to around 50 degrees, and then much warmer on Wednesday, lower to mid 60s across the Fox Valley. Even warmer weather on Thursday. Here we are at 9 o'clock in the morning, already lower to mid 60s. I think most of us will be in the 60s to around 70, but if we see enough sunshine, we could see some lower to mid 70s across parts of central and southern Wisconsin. Along with the warm up, as that system gets closer, some showers and even a few thunderstorms breaking out for Wednesday into Thursday. You can see on the backside of it some heavy snow developing. That's where we do have those winter storm watches. As far as thunderstorms are concerned, it looks like we will have a couple of thunderstorms out there, but right now severe weather is not expected. This big system is going to alter the jet stream pattern. A nice warm up for Wednesday and Thursday, but look at this, turning sharply colder across the Great Lakes region for this upcoming weekend. Your 6 to 10 day outlook here, which takes us from November 13th through November 17th, calls for temperatures to be way below normal here in Wisconsin. So your forecast for tonight calls for that full Beaver moon mixing with clouds. Overnight lows will be in the lower to mid 30s. Tomorrow we'll see clouds mixing with some sunshine, upper 40s to lower 50s. Seasonable conditions, maybe slightly above normal for this time of year. Clouds roll in on Wednesday, a good chance for some rain showers, 61. Shower, maybe a thunderstorm on Thursday. Chance for a rain or a snow shower on Friday. And then turning sharply colder with a chance for a snow shower on Saturday. Windy conditions, high temperatures on Saturday only in the lower to mid 30s. So 10 to 15 degrees below normal for this time of year. Wind chills will be in the 20s. On Sunday, sun and clouds. A chance for a snow shower or flurry, but probably dry. Of course, we've got the Cowboys coming to town. Kickoff temperatures will be in the low to mid 30s with gusty winds, so wind chills will make it feel colder. And then look at that low Monday morning, down into the lower 20s.
When we return here at 5, the Port of Green Bay has secured federal